Ready for a 9,000-pound electric monster that can launch like a rocket and crab walk through the wild? Well, the 2026 GMC Hummer EV pickup just got even more insane, and you're gonna love the updates. You heard right. This beast now launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. That's quicker than a lot of sports cars, and this thing weighs as much as a small house. What makes this possible? Well, it's called Watts to Freedom, or WTF mode. You double-tap the traction button, the seat vibrates, the graphics go wild, the truck crouches, and boom! You're off like you've been fired from a cannon. It's a mix of hilarious fun and neck-snapping acceleration. Seriously, it hits 0.8 gs on launch. The coolest part? Most of this is thanks to software. GM has been upgrading the Hummer EV remotely, yep, over-the-air updates, just like your phone. The hardware has been there since 2022, they just needed the data and tweaks to unlock more performance. And now for something wild, introducing King Crab mode. It's like the regular crab walk but on steroids. In King Crab, the front and rear wheels turn in opposite directions, letting the truck pivot tightly, almost like it's dancing around obstacles. Off-roading? Tight forest trails? This mode is a game-changer. It's gonna be standard on all 2026 2X and 3X trims, and the best part? Older models from 2022 to 2025 will get it via a free software update. The 2026 Hummer EV also brings white heavy checkmark bidirectional charging, charge your home or another EV. White heavy checkmark a sharper infotainment screen. White heavy checkmark enhanced hands-free Super Cruise. White heavy checkmark 3 new exterior and interior colors. White heavy checkmark and a brand new off-road wheel design. Plus, there's a slick new carbon fiber edition, matte grey finish, carbon accents, and 22-inch black wheels. Super limited. Super cool. Production starts later this year at GM's Factory Zero. No price tag yet, but expected to be on the premium side. And those rumors about bringing back a gas-powered Hummer? GM engineers say they haven't heard a thing. Looks like the electric Hummer is here to stay. So to recap, quicker launches, smarter software, more off-road control, and future-ready tech. The 2026 GMC Hummer EV is pushing boundaries and maybe cracking a few driveways in the process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Would you drive this electric beast? Or is it just too much?